Welcome, here I've got Doogee S40 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera sound at this device. Let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard picture mode. Let me take a photo. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to left corner button so we can open camera settings. And here at the fourth place we have sound switch option, so by using the button from the right, we can easily turn off and turn on camera sound as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. Let's move back to camera. And when I take another picture, we can't hear anything. And of course, when we tap to left corner button once again, we can turn on sound here and hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.